Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get grilling today. That's right, I'm so excited because today I have made jerk chicken. Yeah, this is so good. It's Jamaican, it's Caribbean, it's full of flavor and spice and everything nice. Oh yeah, this is so good, guys. If you've never had jerk chicken, I hope that you give this a try. It's super easy to make. I'm going to show you just how to make your own jerk seasoning. Yeah, this is so delicious. So let me show you just how to make it. So the first thing that I want to do to make this flavorful jerk chicken is to make my jerk seasoning. Now this is just a combination of a lot of spices, and this really can be modified to your preference. I have modified it to my preference. I like a little heat, but I don't like to have my mouth on fire. So this is my recipe, it's my preference. You can add more spice to yours, more cayenne pepper, hot red pepper flakes if you want to make yours a little bit more spicy. But let me show you the spices that I use in my jerk seasoning. Okay, so like I said, there's a lot of spices here. So let me go over these and I'll try to get these right. Okay, so we have here 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon of a smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have a half of a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, a half of a teaspoon of cumin, and a half of a teaspoon of ground thyme. Then I have a 1/4 of a teaspoon of hot red pepper flakes. Now you can increase that if you want. That's just, like I said, this is my preference. Okay, now these spices here, these are all a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Let me see if I get these right here. This is nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and ginger. Yes, I think that's correct. And then I have 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. To carefully take my little cutting board here and pour these seasonings into this bowl like so. And then I'm going to take a fork and just give it a nice stir to combine all of that together. Beautiful looking jerk seasoning. It already smells good. I can smell that already. And then I have some extra virgin olive oil. All right, so what I have here is some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and some chicken drumsticks. Now I'm going to add these to a bowl. I'm going to put on some gloves. All right, just going to add these thighs to this bowl and some drumsticks here. All right, so I'm going to take my olive oil and I'm just going to drizzle some of this olive oil over my chicken. Just about a couple tablespoons there. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some of this jerk seasoning. And I'm going to sprinkle in a couple tablespoons of that as well. Put my glove back on. And then I'm going to begin to kind of massage this oil and seasoning in this chicken, making sure that it's all nice and coated. Now the more seasoning that you put on your chicken, the spicier and flavorful it will be. I have noticed that at times I have put too much on it and it's been too hot. So a little bit goes a long way, I will tell you that. Once you've got it all nice and worked in, we're going to cover this and let this sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And this is just going to marinate let that chicken sit in this delicious flavor. All right, so then I have just labeled a little Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put the rest of my seasoning into a Ziploc bag, and I can use this for another time. Now, jerk seasoning is also really good on pork, vegetables. It's just a very good flavorful seasoning. So my chicken has been marinating for a couple hours, so now it's time to take it out and put it on the grill. I have pulled my chicken off the grill, and oh, I cannot wait to have a bite. It looks and smells amazing. So I'm gonna go with this leg here. I am serving it alongside of some wild rice. But yeah, you could do beans and rice, whatever you want. But let's give this a go, this chicken here. Oh. So juicy, so flavorful. Love some jerk chicken. That is delicious. It just has a hint of spice. It's not too spicy. Now I also have another dish I'm going to add to this. And that is my squash casserole. This will be coming out next, so you guys can give this a try if you want. But I'm going to eat a little bit of this squash casserole with my rice and my jerk chicken. Yeah. But this video for the squash casserole will be coming out next. So you guys will want to check that out if you're a squash fan. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.